Get it done, Malik.
To get up off my ass. Every race I ran, I felt like I was coming last. I lost faith in myself and I ain't never going back. That's a fact. I'm the type to lose it all and get it back. I was down real bad to get up off my ass. Every race I ran, I felt like I was coming last. I lost faith in myself and I ain't never going back. That's a fact. I'm the type to lose it all and get it back. I'm posted, I'm toting, plug acting like a lil' ma, cause I owed him. Told me he would talk to my mama, man, I thought he was joking. I seen him parked outside of my crib, so I plotted to smoke him. I'm from the city.
What's up, y'all? It's Malik. Let's get it done. Okay, so today, I'm gonna show you guys how to plug your tire. I got a screw in my tire. I just found out, I just saw it, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug it real quick. So here, let me show you. Okay, we got my 2016 Ram 1500 Eco Diesel. My Wrangler tires, still good meat on them. I'm probably gonna rotate them. This screw right here, this thing right here. So first step, wait, hold on, let me show you. I got, this is what you need. These, need that, and I got this just in case there's any leaks in that. So first, we're gonna take the pliers. We're gonna pull this out. Hopefully it don't kill me. See that screw? Gonna toss that in the garbage. Y'all hear it? That's the hole right there. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna take this, this one first. We're gonna make the hole bigger. Now this is a truck tire, so it's a little bit harder than a regular joint, okay? But you're gonna do this. Make the hole bigger. Then we're gonna take this right here. One second. Take that. We're gonna take this and we're gonna put this in here. One second, y'all. Sound like a Mopar. So I got this like this. Stick that bad boy in here. Yeah. Not easy, y'all, not easy. One second. All right, that's what it looks like once you get one of these in there, right? So what I want to do now is I want to cut that. Let me get the blade. Okay, there we go, y'all. No more air, it's a plug tire. And this, I'm not really gonna show y'all this. See, my tire is low as hell. I'm gonna show y'all this anyway. F it. Take that. We'll take this. All right, so this has a little holes on it. all of this in there is gonna start to air it, fill it up. It's leaking. Cheap stuff, y'all. At the house, but getting that plug was like the biggest thing. I had to get that done because it was only gonna get worse. It's actually going up right now. I see it. As I drive, I think it's gonna start to inflate more. But I did that because I wanted to make sure that any gaps I got in there get sealed. Because I can hit something that could pop out or something. You know, I just want to make sure that's right. I'm gonna just let this whole can go in here. Shaking this crap up. Almost done. I don't see it moving in the tube no more. Oh yeah, I do know that. Shake this stuff loose. That should be good, y'all. I got a torch. I might heat that up a little bit, but it might be okay. Toss everything back in this bag and put this back on. That'll be all, folks. All right, real quick. So I know I ended the video, but I wanted to show you guys. This was $2. $2. That's all it costs. This stuff right here will save you. Like if you in a jam, you got something going on, this right here will save you from having to go and spend that 15 to 20 or maybe more. Some place charge like 30, 35 for a plug or even getting a new tire. So I would just say grab you one of these and keep it in your car. And then just get you an air pump. See, I don't have my air pump right now. But yeah, get you an air pump. And keep the air pump in there. If I had the air pump, I would be good right now, but still. And that sealant that I put in, you want to get that sealant, or sometimes the tire kits, they'll come with some type of sealant in them. Like they'll have like a little tube that comes with it, and you kind of like put that on there. You want to do that because, man, look, that plug is not necessarily enough. You always want to have extra stuff going on just to make sure you straight. But yeah, I'm telling y'all, that will save you. It's just little things like that that has gotten me out of jams or helped me get somebody else out of a jam. It's all about getting it done. And always remember, let's get it done.
Going back, that's a fact. I'm the type to lose it all and get it back. I'm posted, I'm toting, plug acting like a lil' ma, cause I owed him. Told me he would talk to my mama, man, I thought he was joking. I seen him parked outside of my crib, so I plotted to smoke him. I'm from a city, you gotta get it or you gon' get got. Shorties ain't got no hands no more, so don't get shot. I'm from out west. If you